In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to import preset in FxSound. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into the preset file. And in here, you want to make sure that you know the location of that file right here because we would need that later on. And then, once you know that, you can now go back in here and click here on the three horizontal bars icon on the bottom left. In here, you can click on Import Preset. However, if this is grayed out for some reason, it's probably because you have made some changes, just like this one. And then, as you can see, Import Preset is now grayed out. In this case, you either need to save the changes that you have made as a new preset, or you could just undo it right here. So it will now be back to the default one in your preset. And then from here, Import Preset should now be available. Click on it, and then you will now have this prompt right here. And now this is where you would want to locate your preset file. That is why I said that it is important that you know where it's located. So in my case, it is right here, FxSound, and then presets and my exported preset right here. So you just need to select the folder, not the preset file itself. So now that we are here inside a folder, click on import. And then we will now have this box. You will now be able to see that the presets have now been successfully imported, and it also has detected some duplicate presets, so it didn't upload or import those presets that was detected. Click here on OK. So take note that the preset here is NoFX that we have imported. And now we should see that right here under the list of presets, which is this one. Now I can click on it and it has now been loaded just like that. And that's how you can import a preset in FxSound.